What's up guys, welcome to your 7th Python tutorial. So in this tutorial I'll be talking about more methods. So I'm just gonna begin by making a list, and I'm going to just assign random characters into it. Okay, so easy. Whoops, let's just go with one character at a time. Right, and yeah, that should be good. Let me just add all the commas in between so we don't have any syntax errors. Right. So now if I call this list something, there you go. That is our list. So the first method I want to talk about is the insert method. So again, start out by writing your list or object, and then add a dot separator and write insert. And so here you're going to have two parameters. The first is going to be the position in which you're going to insert your something, because that's what this method does. Insert is kind of self-explanatory. So first you're going to give it the position. So remember, lists start out with, Python starts counting lists with the first thing being as 0, then 1, 2, 3, and so on. So say I want to add something in the third position. So it's going to be, so now it's going to push the J and everything after it back, and it's going to go right after the 4 and then before the J. So first you're going to write your first parameter, which in this case will be 3. And then you can write anything. I'm just going to give it another letter, like this one I haven't used, A. That's good. And there you go. So now if I call something, there you go. A is now in the third position. So the second method I want to talk about is the remove. And again, it's just called it's called remove. This one again takes this one also takes two parameters. The first one, actually no, I'm sorry. This only takes one parameter. This, what it does is it just removes an instance of your parameter, and it's going to remove the first instance in the list. So say, actually, let's say I'm just going to add something to this using the append method that I taught you in the last tutorial. Say I want to append J. So now if I call something, there you go, J is also in the back, and I'm putting two J's in here for a specific reason. So again, now I'm going to use this remove method, and say I want to remove J. So I would write in J. And as I said, this removes the first instance of J. So if I call something, this list, as you see, it has removed this J, but not this one, because it only removes one J, and that was the first one that it just found. So it scanned the entire list, found the J, removed it, and then it just stopped working. So, yep. The next method I want to tell you about is the pop method, and this takes one parameter, and that will be the position of the list. So say I want to remove the fourth object, so 0, 1, 2, 3. A happens to be the fourth object, but that's in position 3. So I type in 3. And as you see, it just returns a value for you, because you don't necessarily know what would be in position 3, so it just tells you the value. And now if I call something, there you go, the A is now removed. And just another quick little tip for this is when you're using the pop method, you can add a little, you don't necessarily always have to use these direct parameters, these direct arguments. You can actually do something, for example, like something dot index, and I believe I taught you this this method in the last tutorial. What it does, in case you don't remember, is it counts the position of the object that you want. So say I want H, the position of H, so I will type in H here. Okay. And now why I did this is, for example, if you know you want to remove H, what it will do is it will use this pop method, and then it will take the position of it with this method, because this method will just return the position of H, and it will take that position and use it in this method. So if I hit return, as you see, it removed H for me, and if I call the method, there you go, there's no H. And the second to last method I want to show you is the sort method, something dot sort, and this does not take any parameters, and if you didn't already guess it, it sorts the list for you. There you go. By alphabetical order. It's kind of like you would find in the dictionary. So numbers would go first in numerical order, and then the letters would go in alphabetical order. So G goes before J, before K, before Z, and again numbers go first. And then the last method I want to show you is the reverse. I keep spelling that wrong. The reverse method, which is kind of self-explanatory again. It doesn't take any parameters. It just reverses the list for you. So if I call something, there you go. I just took this and I reversed it. There you go. So those are all the methods I'm going to be going over for now. Thanks for watching. We'll be using a lot of these more in the future. So yeah, if you have any questions or comments, then just write that in the comment section of the video, or send us a private message, and I will respond. So again, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and keep watching our tutorials and visit our website. Thanks.